Hi, scholars. Okay, you have watched a video now on the main idea. Hopefully you understand that the main idea is whatever the text, or in this case, what the picture is mostly about. I am going to model two examples for you before asking you to try on your own. Let's look at this first example. So I see a picture of what looks like a boy in a shirt, and I am thinking that he's in the school because I see desks around him, and it looks like he has a tablet or an iPad that he's using with his finger at his desk. So now that I've looked at the picture, I've kind of looked at all the details, I'm going to read these three options, and I'm going to pick which one best describes what this picture is mostly about. Let's read the first option. Many people get bored when they are alone. Okay, well, I do notice the boy is alone in this picture, but I'm not sure that the picture is revealing anything about boring. And personally, I think that an iPad, things to do on the iPad can be really fun, not boring. So I don't think this is the best choice. I'm going to read the next two choices to make sure. The second one says technology is very difficult to use. Well, this sounds like an opinion, so that means something you believe but might not have any facts. And technology is in this picture. There is an iPad in the picture, but it doesn't look like the boy is struggling to use it. We can't see his face. Let's read the last option and see if this is the best main idea. So the last one says iPads are small enough to take anywhere. Okay. Well, I do see an iPad in the picture, so it's specific. And the iPad is the focus because the boy is kind of blurry and so are the desks. So the iPad is the focus. And then is it true that they're small enough to take anywhere? And I think that based on the picture, we can say that iPads are small enough to take anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the best option. And let me clarify, this is the best option because it's specific. It has iPad as the subject, which is what's in the picture. And I can confirm this statement with the picture. So it says they're small enough to take anywhere. I can look at this picture and see that the iPad is small enough to take anywhere. For the other two options, I couldn't do that. I could not confirm that people are bored when they're alone from this picture. And I also couldn't confirm that technology is difficult to use from this picture. So my best option is that iPads are small enough to take anywhere. Let's try the next one. Okay, I'm looking at the picture and I want to ask myself, what is this picture? So it looks like a squirrel, and the squirrel, I think it's or maybe a chipmunk. And it looks like it's holding like a nut or something that it's eating, and there's not really anything in the background. So let's read the three main idea options so that I can pick the best one to describe the main idea or what the main idea means, which is what is this picture mostly about? The first option is a chipmunk is a mammal. So I'm thinking, does the picture tell me that a chipmunk is a mammal? And it does not. The picture does not tell me that. So let's, I'll actually even this time mark some off. So I'm just gonna put a line through it. Let's read the second one. A chipmunk's diet consists of nuts and bugs. Okay, well, I don't see any bugs in this picture, but I do see a nut, and I do see a chipmunk eating a nut. So, and that's what a diet is what we eat. So I think this could be an option. So let's read the third one, and then we'll figure out which one's best. So the third one says, chipmunks live in forests and woods. Well, I'm just going to be honest. I think it's easy to mark this one out, because there's no background. There's no woods in the picture. There's no forests in the picture. So I may know from my own research that that's where chipmunks live, but that's not what's in the picture. And we're being detectives right now. What's in the picture is what the chipmunk is eating, or the chipmunk's diet. So even though bugs aren't in there, the nuts are, and the chipmunk is eating, so this is my best choice. I look forward to seeing you pick the best choice in the next activities.